Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial. And so today I'll be teaching how to play Holiness by Micah Stampley in the key of C transpose. It's a very nice worship song with a beautiful intro. So let me play it and give you the full piano tutorial. Let's go. Holiness, holiness is what you learn for. Holiness, what you need. Holiness, holiness, what you are. For me. Alright guys, so it continues like that. Okay, so it's a very nice worship song, beautiful, with a beautiful intro. I'm going to start with the intro directly, alright? Okay. So we're doing mi, fa, so, do, re, mi, fa, so. You're playing key of C, alright? Mi, fa, so, that's C transpose. Mi, fa, so, okay, mi, fa, so. Alright, so I'm playing there's a broken chord here, 3 minor, alright? That's E, B and E, alright? Okay, so that's it. Play simultaneously. Mi fa so, do, mi fa so, do. Okay. Now you go to the 6. Normally I was supposed to play 6 broken chord like this. Alright, this is a broken chord. That's A, E and A with my left. Now, but I decided to substitute this A like this, A, E and A. But I decided to substitute this one with C. Alright, that's the 1. So I have 6, 3 and normally I was supposed to play 6. I played 1. Alright, so this one I played. Alright. So, do, do. Right. Instead of playing this, I play this. Alright. I go to the 7. Re, so, re. Right. This is the way I play the broken chord on the 7, alright? That's B, A and B, B, G and B, alright? Normally it was supposed to be like this, alright? But this I decided to play like this, alright? Alright, then I go to C sharp major, alright? G sharp major, alright? I have G sharp, C sharp, G sharp on my left. Then I have this just C and G sharp. Alright, so guys, let me take the intro very slowly. That's 3. Voila. So, re, so, re, so. Again, like, alright. slow, you make it fast. Alright, I want to get to the 6, alright, with this. Alright. 5, 6, alright. Do, re, mi, re. You go to the 5, that's G major. G major. Alright, G major. G, re, you can remain there, alright? Alright, okay, do, so, fa, alright, this C9, added 9, do, so, fa, C, added 9, alright, then now, the song itself, okay, so that's the intro, guys, very simple, you know, so that's the intro. Then now we get to the song itself, alright, we are going to the 4, the same thing that we did here, we still do it, D sharp, E, we also do the C, 4, and 5, okay, now Latido, can play normal Latido, we play like this, Latido, okay, that's it. Holiness, again, 1, 4, 1, 5, okay, alright, so you add this. Holiness is what I want, Latido. 1, 5 for me. Alright, now you can see do the dun 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 dun. Alright, dun 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 dun. That's sol, do, re, mi. Alright. So you just play around with C added 9. Alright. Okay guys, so that's all about the song. I hope you learned something. Do well to subscribe to my channel.